This time on building terminology, ridge. So when we're talking about a ridge in relationship to a roof, it is the intersection at the top of the two slopes in a pitch roof, which forms the apex of the roof. The ridge board is the horizontal board which is placed on edge at the apex of the roof, against which the heads of the rafters are meet and are fixed. The ridge board runs the whole length of the roof in a gable roof and between the hip rafters in a hipped roof.
So if we have a look at our overall roof, the ridge is this member here at the apex. This is for the major span of the roof, and this one here is the ridge for the minor span of this roof. So if I get rid of everything else, we just have these two boards that are placed horizontally. They run parallel to the top plates, and they are basically the highest member of the roof.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.